welcome back to my channel. Come with me as I get my hair done in Brazil.
So I landed at GRU at 7 a.m. but my hair appointment was at 4. I needed to spare time, so
just finished going through custom, and now I'm gonna Uber to the spa. I think this is a lot of money, but I'm on a time constraint now, so might as well get there now. This is basically 13 American dollars. But this is still a lot.
This spa is walking distance from Bruno Salon. No one here speaks English. In fact, this area is not a touristy area, so don't expect anyone to speak English, and make sure you have your Google Translator app.
Okay, you guys, so I'm here at the spa. They don't speak English here, so you might need a translator. Make sure you have the translator app. Right now, I am here to change into the clothing, so they give you like a robe, some slippers, a towel. Here's the bathroom, and here's where you put the stuff in the locker.
I booked my appointment online as I was able to translate their website, and American money can go a long way here, so the prices were perfect for me. You can stay in the spa all day. It's very relaxing, and this was perfect for me as I had time to spare until my hair appointment. My first service was this geotherapy, a body wrapping technique using clay. There are supposed to be numerous benefits to it, and after the clay I rinsed off and then got this amazing massage. I was not able to capture it all as I'm a solo traveler, so I have to record everything on my own, and I couldn't ask for help as I didn't know any Portuguese. I also ended up falling asleep getting the massage, so there's that. The next service I got was a podiatry, which I needed real bad. This treatment includes a foot asepsis, technical nail cutting, foot hydration, and more.
Gracias. Obrigada.
My feet was in need of this hydration. It felt so good.
Hi, you guys. So some of you don't know, I have really bad feet. Like, my toenails are so bad. But before y'all come at me, these toes been to over 34 countries, okay? And many countries I really dived in with the locals and walk barefoot and stuff. I don't know how they do it because it hurts. So anywho, I'm getting like this toenail anatomy. I think that's what it's translated. And basically she told me like my nail was dead skin and just needs to come off. So as you can see, they like cut the nail off, and I'm just gonna start from scratch. And now I'm just here relaxing as my toes are getting cozy up. So I'm about to have pretty feet again. Spa is amazing. They give you top quality care and service, and even though they don't speak English, they will find a way to communicate with you. So right now we're using Google Translator, but that don't stop them from giving me the care I deserve. So body's well rested, skin is smooth, feet's about to get done, and then I'm gonna get my nice facial, which I'm so excited for.
After getting my feet done, my favorite service out of this entire clinic is the facial. I feel like my face gets a reset.
Obrigada. I'm gonna get my facial.
I wish I could explain step by step that is being done, but I honestly don't know as everything was in Portuguese. But every time I get this service, my face is clear of blackhead, nice and shiny. Note, recording this process was so hard. Remember, I have no help recording, and many of the time I was recording with my eyes closed, so I got many clips of the wall and the machine.
Okay, I have a 15-minute moisturizer on my face now. I'm so happy. This is why I love coming to Brazil. It's just the treatment, the care, the quality is amazing. So now I'm just relaxing.
I finished the spa around 12 and I had to run downtown towards the tourist area to visit the Louis Vuitton store. Every time I leave the country, my goal is to visit a Louis Vuitton store to get a hot stamp. Alright guys, I am in Uber right now. I'm heading to the Salon. I had to run to the city because I needed to get my passport stamp. So for those who don't know, if you have a Louis Vuitton passport cover, they'll give you a passport stamp. So now there's an hour out. So now I'm stuck in traffic. My appointment is at 4 p.m. So I'm not going to get there till like 4:11. But go from there. I am super tired. I'm going to try to stay up to record the process, but I'm most likely will fall asleep when they do my hair. Finally here in Bruno's chair, ready to get my hair done. I forgot to record myself coming into the salon as so much was happening, but when I got there I had to fill out this hair assessment form, and then Bruno did a test patch on my hair, I'm assuming to figure out which product worked well with my hair. Hey guys, so I just finished getting my assessment done on my hair. Bruno did it and now it's time to go for a wash. Their wash bowl area is too cute. There is one person at the salon who speaks English, but I still suggest to have a translator app handy as her English was not fluent. Alright, so now I'm going to go in for a wash right now. He already finished assessing my hair and it's going to be a deep condition. He's already aware I just took out my braids, so he's really going to take care of my scalp. I was able to translate to Bruno that I just had taken my braids out, so he informed me I needed a scalp treatment. I swear, hair is its own language because Bruno made sure to find a way to tell me to stop wearing protective styles such as braids and let my hair breathe. That way my curls can be more defined. So for everyone with all those negative comments on my reel about Bruno not being able to enhance my curls, well, now you know. You can't magically bring the curls back if it's constantly in braids. I have to let my curls be in its natural state for a while. My hands were hurting holding the camera during this process, and I was also trying to record with my phone. I ended up falling asleep a few times, but as you can see from the clips I was able to record, he is washing in sections. I was trying to get a feel on what kind of products he was using, but I know at one point for my scalp he used something that consists with peppermint because that's what I was smelling. For those with negative comments about how there's nothing special about shampoo and condition, I was in that shampoo bowl for a minute, so I know he used more than shampoo and conditioner in my hair. As you can see, I'm getting this wash. I believe he started off with shampoo, but as you see, each product he put in my hair, it follows up with a scalp massage. Bruno takes that very seriously. Those massages was everything. You can see at one point, even my camera noticed how good it was. It moved up to view Bruno. Do you know what month is Bruno coming to New York?
When he's coming to New York?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you have it. I just dropped an exclusive. The public doesn't even know this yet, but Bruno will be coming to New York in 2025. At this point, I'm not sure what's being done to my hair, but it feels really good and I can feel the TLC my hair is receiving. I don't even put this much time and energy in my wash day, but I know after this trip, I will have to. I know usually people always rush and complain about staying in a salon for so long, but with these massages, I don't mind being here all day. You feel me? Now I'm put under the steamer, and then another scalp massage follow after that, which you know I loved, and then I went back to sleep, of course. After my hair was rinsed out, I was taken back to the chair for a trim. Now you tell me, how many stylists do you know that trims your hair wet? No heat or stretch needed. This is the proper way to trim natural hair, not trimming after blow drying or stretching your hair. It really takes a certain level of skills to do this. So right now my hair is being sectioned out for Bruno to trim it. Excuse my face because I just woken up and I'm still a bit tired, so I have that cranky look. But as you can see right here, my shrinkage is real. I hate when my hair is like this. I just feel like I look like a boy. I try to get footage of the curl cream that is being used. As you can see, it's only one product he will use in my hair. Bruno then goes in sections, raking my hair, but that's really too much to record because I have a lot of hair and my hands was hurting from recording both from my phone and camera. My coils are not as defined as I constantly keep my hair in braids. I was doubting the process at first as I see the cream is weighing my hair down, but I don't see as much volume, and all I care for is volume. Bruno explained to me water is my best friend, to constantly drench my hair in water and then add the cream. Towards the end, put a little bit of oil. Like I mentioned in my reel, the diffuser is the trick to Bruno's process. I was never taught how to use a diffuser properly, and in other salons, it's usually a mixture of sitting under a dryer, then use a diffuser, or a diffuser, air dry, and sitting under the dryer. It's either multiple combinations, but never just a diffuser, from my experience. Here at Bruno's salon, there are no dryers. It's diffusing only. Notice how the diffuser never physically touched my hair or scalp. The diffusing is the longest part of this process. I believe I spent a little over an hour getting my hair diffused, and you are to diffuse your hair until it's completely dry. Here is the final result. All of this, I believe, was just 60 American dollars, but you know the exchange rate changes daily, but that's how much I spent that day. I did make sure to tip, so I know I paid a little more than that. After, I caught an Uber back to the airport to catch my 11 p.m. flight back to New York City.